Welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, please give this video a good thumbs up and please hit subscribe. Today I'm going to be replacing the top lid of my LG top-loading washing machine. As you can see here, the glass on top has all shattered. Fortunately, the way that they've made this, I have not been able to find any broken glass inside the machine itself. The good thing about this machine is there's just a few screws on either side. There's 3 on this side and 3 on this side, and all we got to do is take those out, pull the whole mechanism out, and replace it with a new one. Alright, so now we're in my garage workshop. I need to start getting my tools together so we can replace the old broken lid with the new one I just purchased. All you're going to really need is a simple screwdriver to remove the screws. Another thing I'm going to get is some blue painter tape. I'm going to use this to cover over the old glass, so when I'm transporting it to the trash can, hopefully the glass doesn't shatter and get all over the place. I'm also going to go ahead and put it in a trash bag to keep it contained. Also, with any good home improvement projects, you need something to throw across the room when you're getting mad when it doesn't work out. So I'm going to grab this wrench. And since home improvement projects are always a little stressful, you got to get a little drink in you. That's good. Alright, so I went ahead and ordered the new lid online. So let's get it out here. We're going to go ahead and take a look at it, make sure there's no defects or shattering glass during transportation. Everything looks good here, so let's go ahead and install it. As you see here, I've gone ahead and put tape across the broken glass. I've done this so while I'm moving it back and forth, it hopefully helps it stay together so I don't have a big glass mess on the ground. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and use my screwdriver and take the screws out. Alright, so now we have all 6 screws out. Let's see how easy it is to come out. Perfect. Slips right on out. So I want to point out that we have these little plastic hinges in here that are used to move the lid up and down. So you want to make, they just pop right in out, so you want to make sure you keep a good eye on them so you don't lose them. They're on either side of the drawer. As you can see here, there are these little plastic hinges that are used for moving the lid up and down. Please note that they come out very quick and easy, so make sure you don't lose them. Alright, now that you have it removed and all cleaned up, you're going to slip the new lid onto the hinges. Okay, it looks like we're all good. Now we just got to go ahead and screw it back on. Alright, now that we have all 6 screws placed back into the lid, let's make sure that the lid moves up and down nice without anything being caught. Looks like we did a great job here. So just remember, if you have the ability to do it yourself, you can save a lot of money from having a handyman come in and do something where all you have to do is really remove 6 screws. So if you have enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.